Exercise 9.2 perimeter in area. Question number 9. Sajli took a wire of a length 44 centimeter and bent into the shape of a circle. Find its radius of the circle. Find the area of find its area. Find the radius of the circle and also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure includes more area, circle or the square? Solution. Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter. This is a circle, and second is a square. Bend into a square. Bend into a square. Circumference. The took of the length is 44 centimeter and bent into the shape of a circle. Yani circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. Solution. Circumference of the circle is equal to 44 centimeter. The circumference of the circle 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter, and r is equal to 44 by 2 pi divided by 2 pi is equal to 22 upon pi is equal to 22 by 7. 22 cancel out. 22 by 7 is equal to 1 upon 1 by 7 is equal to 1 into 7 into 1 is equal to 7. This is a radius r. R is equal to 7 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. And also find its area. Area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into radius equal to 7. 7 into 7, 7 is cancelled out, is equal to 154. And unit is equal to centimeter and unit is equal to centimeter square. Answer. This is answer. And same wire is bent into the shape of a square. तो यहाँ होगा perimeter of square. Perimeter of the square. This is the circumference is 44 and perimeter of the square is equal to 44. Your perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Square equal to 44 centimeter and circumference of the circle 44 centimeter. Perimeter of the square bent into the square. The perimeter of the square is equal to be 44. This is the 44 and this is the 44. Perimeter of the square is equal to 44 centimeter and perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 44 and side is equal to 44 by 4 is equal to 11 centimeter. Side is equal to 11 centimeter. Square of the side is equal to 11 centimeter. And is area of the square. Therefore, area of the square is equal to side chi square is equal to 11 chi square is equal to 121 centimeter. Therefore, includes figure more area of the circle. More area of the circle. Circle is the more area. more area of the circle. Exercise 9.2 perimeter and area. Last exercise, question number 10. From a circular card sheet of a radius, circular card sheet. This is the card sheet. Card sheet. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. Of the radius 14 centimeter. This is the radius 14 centimeter. Two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle. Two radius of a circle. This radius is 3.5 and this radius is 3.5 and bigger circle is radius is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. And the length of the rectangle 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter. Width is equal to 1 centimeter. Yani breadth of the rectangle 1 centimeter. Are removed or area are removed and rectangle of the length 1 centimeter and breadth. Two circle are radius 3.5 centimeter. A rectangle of length is इतना breadth of 1 centimeter. Area removed 1 centimeter. Area removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Solution. Overall total area of the circle minus area of two smaller circle minus area of the rectangle. Area of remaining sheet is equal to total area of the circle minus area of two circle, two smaller circle and one rectangular. Yeah, one rectangle. Solution. Area of bigger circle. Area of bigger circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. 14 into 14. 7 to the 14 is equal to 44 into 14. This area is meter. Centimeter is centimeter square. 14 4 ja 56. 6 carry 5 and 14 4 ja 56 and 5 61 616 centimeter square. Area of bigger circle. Area of bigger circle 616 centimeter square. Area of two smaller circle is equal to area of two smaller circle is equal to pi r square into 2. Pi r square into 2. Pi r square 2 pi r square or 2 pi r square 2 pi r square and pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius of this semicircle, radius of the smaller circle equal to 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 7 5 0.5 is equal to 44 22 to 44 into 3.5 into 0.5 unit equal to centimeter and centimeter square is equal to 77 centimeter square. And area of rectangle, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to 3 into 1. Length is equal to 3 and breadth is equal to 1. Centimeter square equal to 3 centimeter square. Area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet is equal to 616 minus 77 plus 3 is equal to 616 minus 18 centimeter square and centimeter square is equal to 6 11 minus 8 3 and 536 centimeter square. Area of remaining seat. You will get the answer.